Let me show you how to change out the air filter on a 2017 John Deere D105. All right, so we're going to open up the cowling, and on the left-hand side of the engine, you're going to take and turn these from the lock position to the unlocked position, and then you're just going to lift this plastic piece out. That is your air filter. All right, so what you're going to do is just grab a hold of it, and you're going to lift up in the front. So you're just going to pop it up and just lift straight out. All right, so now that we got the air cleaner, the new one here, we're just going to take it, slide it back in place, and then you just push it down in the front until it locks. All right, so now what we'll do is just put our top cover back on, pop it into place, and then we'll take these from the unlock to the lock position. So you just turn it and do the same on this. And that's how easy it is to change out your air filter on your Briggs and Stratton engine. Hopefully this video helped you out. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.